Hello everyone and welcome back. Today's Sunday. When I woke up this morning, I was 63.95. So zero loss since yesterday. It's been 3 days in a row the same weight. That's absolutely fine. Yesterday I fasted for 23 hours. I walked 20,352 steps, 14.7 kilometers. And I broke my fast at 5:15 to 6:15. I fasted a regular OMAD schedule, so 23 hours is say you stop eating at 6 p.m. and then the day after you start at 5 p.m., 5 to 6 your meal. So every day it's not 24 hours, it's 23 plus the 1 hour eating window. So yesterday was a real OMAD day. I slept like a baby yesterday, this morning. I mean, in the night between yesterday and this morning. So that's great, but I was really hungry the whole day. I have to say, from morning to up until my dinner, and let's talk about that dinner. But first the gym. I was hungry. But first the gym. I trained fasted again. Upper body, 45 minutes, very quick session, very good session. But in terms of intensity, maybe 4 on 10, not super intense, and that's okay. It's Saturday, the end of the week. I've been training every day for the whole week, so it's okay to have a lower intensity workout. So when I got home, I was starving, obviously, because I was hungry the whole day, and I didn't have any prep ready, so I didn't really want to eat anything that I wanted to prep, so I put a pizza in the oven. And it's Saturday, is a habit that we have to just, have quick food on the weekend. A pizza is very comforting for the heart, for the soul, for everything, for happiness. It's very good, but in terms of nutrients, it's not super nutritious because there's a lot of cheese. There's obviously a lot of fat, a little bit of protein, obviously, in the dough and in the cheese. But there was I only have cheese pizza, so there's no vegetable on it. I ate no vegetables yesterday. So I had cheese crackers. I had muesli, a little bit. I weighted it again. And soy milk, no yogurt. And I had no seeds, no nuts. And then I had 4 squares of chocolate. The total calorie is 1,381 calories, which is fine. It is a deficit, it's a calorie deficit. In terms of protein, we're talking 51.3 grams. That's low, that's very low. But in terms of nutritious food, I felt bloated and heavy at the end of the meal. I did sleep really good afterwards, but I mean, I wasn't feeling super energetic. And I'm pretty sure my body wanted some kind of vegetables, some kind of fibers, some kind of filling food, some fruits. No fruits for 2 days, no bananas, nothing, no apple, no shake. Guys, I'm in no way saying that when you do OMAD you have to eat healthy, but it really helps. It helps with your hunger. It helps with your just overall health, your overall happiness. So personally today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna meal prep. And then when I'm gonna prep for Monday to Thursday, we are Sunday today, Monday to Thursday, I'm also gonna prep extra for today. So all I need to do after my meal prep is eat. Maybe I'll have some eggs. I don't know yet what I'm gonna have because I haven't prepped for today. But I will make extra, and that way I'm going to be set for today and up until Thursday. In terms of total calorie, 1,381 calories is absolutely fine. It's a calorie deficit, but I definitely don't have any energy. I want to go back to bed. It is Sunday though. I'm allowed to be tired on a Sunday. So I'm definitely not going to the gym. I don't think I'm going to go for a walk neither. I don't even want to do 10,000. I just want to chill and have my little coffee here. And yeah, just Sunday. It's overcast. It's very windy and it's not raining or anything like that. But it's just not it's tough for everyone. But I really am missing eating fruits. So this week I think I'm going to go and buy more. I have grapefruit and bananas at the moment, but I want more. For me, that's very important on OMAD, and I feel it. I'm craving fruits. I'm not craving chocolate, I'm craving fruits. So I'm going to hopefully be more organized next weekend and have prepped meals for when I'm ready to break my fast. And I've always known, I always know that having, a meal ready when you break your fast is so important for me. I've always done OMAD with meal preps or food preps. Never the past 2 days. I think that's the first time I break my fast with somebody cooking for me or no preps. So it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. I'm just saying that OMAD in itself is not an easy way to eat. So on top of it, if you can be prepared and make sure that you're filling your your body with nutritional foods that you like. Obviously, the vegetables you like, the protein you like, the carbs you like, but like high in fiber and high in nutrients. So anyways, I will see you tomorrow to give you feedback on today, to tell you how the meal prep went and also what I ate today. I'm going to eat earlier. I'm gonna have brunch, and so this means that tomorrow when I come back and I eat at 5 to 6, I'm gonna be longer fasted, so probably not 30 hours, but like 25, 26 hours, and so I'm gonna be hungry tomorrow. Better get meal prepping. And yes, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Bye.